Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your Ford Super Duty truck to your trailer? The CURT 7-way custom wiring connector promises a seamless plug-and-play experience without the headache of cutting or splicing wires. Designed specifically for certain Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models, this wiring harness delivers a reliable, universal trailer connection for all your towing needs. What sets this connector apart is its vehicle-specific design. Instead of wrestling with complicated wiring jobs, you simply plug it into your factory harness. That means no guesswork, no soldering, and no damage to your truck's original wiring system. It handles everything from tail lights and brake lights to reverse lights, turn signals, electronic trailer brakes, and auxiliary power. Plus, it includes a dust cover to keep the connector clean when you're not towing, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you've ever struggled to find a wiring harness that fits just right, this one's worth a look. Customers rave about its perfect fit and easy installation. One user with a 2001 F350 said it was exactly what they needed to replace their factory harness, with a quick 5-minute install. Made in the USA and tested for optimal functionality, the CURT custom wiring connector gives you peace of mind on every trip. If that's you, consider upgrading your towing setup with this reliable, custom-fit solution. Try it when you're ready.